Imagine you're standing at the precipice of a major life milestone, buying a home. It's a dream that many people cherish, but it can also be a daunting prospect. One of the key factors that can make or break your home buying journey is your mortgage. Today, we're going to dive into a popular financial platform and answer the burning question, does Sofi do mortgages? You've probably heard of Sofi. They're known for their student loan refinancing, personal loans, and investing services. But what about mortgages? Let's find out together. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why mortgages are so important. A mortgage is essentially a loan that you take out to purchase a home. The lender provides you with the funds to buy the property, and you agree to pay back the loan, plus interest, over a specified period. Choosing the right mortgage can significantly impact your financial future. Factors like interest rates, loan terms, and fees can all play a role. Now, let's talk about Sofi. As a fintech company, they've disrupted the traditional banking industry by offering a range of financial products and services online. Sofi has gained a reputation for its user-friendly platform, competitive rates, and excellent customer service. Sofi and mortgages. So, does Sofi do mortgages? The answer is, drumroll please, yes. Sofi does offer mortgage services. They've partnered with a network of lenders to provide a variety of mortgage options, including conventional mortgages, the most common type of mortgage, backed by the government. Jumbo mortgages, for high-value homes. VA loans, for veterans and their families. FHA loans, for first-time homebuyers and those with lower credit scores. Sofi's mortgage process. The Sofi mortgage process is designed to be straightforward and hassle-free. Here's a general overview. Online application. You can start the application process directly on Sofi's website. Document submission. Sofi will request necessary documents, such as proof of income, credit reports, and tax returns. Rate lock. Once your application is approved, you can lock in your interest rate to protect yourself from potential rate increases. Closing. You'll attend a closing meeting to sign the final mortgage documents. Benefits of using Sofi for mortgages. Sofi offers several benefits to its mortgage customers, including competitive rates. Sofi aims to provide competitive interest rates compared to traditional banks. Online platform. The entire mortgage process can be completed online, making it convenient and efficient. No origination fees. Sofi doesn't charge origination fees, which can save you money up front. Personalized service. Sofi's team of mortgage experts can provide personalized guidance and support throughout the process. While Sofi offers many advantages, it's important to consider other factors before making a decision. Pre-approval. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage can give you a better idea of how much you can afford to borrow and strengthen your negotiating position. Shopping around. It's always a good idea to compare rates and terms from multiple lenders to ensure you're getting the best deal. Your specific needs. Consider your individual financial situation and goals when choosing a mortgage. So, does Sofi do mortgages? Absolutely. They offer a range of mortgage options and a user-friendly platform. If you're considering buying a home, Sofi could be a great option. However, it's essential to do your research and compare different lenders to find the best fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.